Hello students, I hope you are fine and safe at home. After enjoying your Diwali vacation, let's begin our online study of computer subject now. Today we are going to start our 7th lesson of second term, that is keys on the keyboard. Students, you have already learned in previous knowledge what is the keyboard and uses of keyboard keys. So let's start. Students, we use a pen or a pencil to write in our notebook. In the same way, we use a keyboard to type letters, numbers or symbols on a computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys on it. Students, before computers, people use typewriters to type any numbers or letters. We have learned that a keyboard has alphabetic keys and numbers keys. We use the alphabetic keys to write words. We use the numbers keys to write numbers. First is typing letters. On the keyboard, we look for the keys that has the letters we want. When we press this key, we can see the letters on the screen. There are 26 alphabetic keys on the keyboard. They are in Q, W, E, R, T, Y order. 3 rows of alphabetic keys on the keyboard. This is the order of letters in the first row. Student, this is the order of letters in the first row. Okay. Next is typing numbers. We press the numbers keys on the keyboard. We can see the numbers on the screen. The numbers keys has these numbers for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. We can use these keys to type any numbers we want. Okay. Next is special keys. Special keys, which is the special keys? First is enter key. The enter key is the bigger than other keys. There is a special arrow on it. We use the enter key to tell the computer that we have finished typing instruction. We also use it to go to the next line as we type. For example, you write in 1, go in next line and you write 2. Then you press the enter key and go to new line and write the 2. Okay. Next is caps lock key. Student, this key is found on the left of the keyboard. It is used to write in capital letters. Okay. Caps lock can be turned on or off. It is turned on if we press the caps lock key once. All the alphabetic keys we press, then we show us as capital letters on the screen. Okay, and once again you press the caps lock key, then all the letters you write it, show in and write in small letters. Next is space bar. The longest key on the keyboard is black. It is called the space bar. Colors, the space bar on the keyboard is black. Okay. We press the space bar when we want to put a space between words. If we do not put space between words, the paragraph will be difficult to read. Next is backspace key. Sometimes we make a mistake while typing and wish to correct it. Okay, for example, we may wish to remove the extra letter in the word. Then you press the backspace key. For example, if you make any mistake, then we press the backspace key and correct it. Okay, then wrong letter is erased now. Next is delete keys. Look at this picture. This is the delete key picture. Okay, this key remove a character to the right of the cursor. Next is shift key. The shift key is also used to type capital or small letters. The shift key is also used to type the special symbols we see on the number keys. Some special symbols are @ hash, dollar, percentage and star. To type a special symbol, we press the shift key. Along with that symbol keys, for example, to get the symbol @, we press these two keys, shift and 2. Then you see on the screen @. Okay, we see 2 shift key on a keyboard. How many shift key on a keyboard? 2 shift key. They are on opposite sides and can be pressed by the fingers of the left or right hand. Okay, children, I hope that you have understood what I taught you today. Now let us see a video to get more information.
Hi Kliko, I'm back to know more about computers. Today, I want to know more about the keyboard.
Welcome back, Rini. I have told you that the keyboard is one of the important parts of a computer. Do you remember what a keyboard is used for in a computer? Well, then the keyboard is a device which is used for typing in the computer. It contains many buttons on it, which are called keys. Do you know how many buttons are there on a standard keyboard?
Well, no.
There are 104 keys on a standard keyboard.
Yes, I can see alphabets and numbers on the keyboard.
Yes, the keyboard contains 26 alphabet keys from A to Z. We can type words and sentences in the computer using the alphabet keys. The number keys are also called the numeric keys. It consists of numbers from 0 to 9, which are the basic numbers. The numeric keys are used for typing numbers.
What are these arrow keys for, Kliko?
The arrow keys are called the directional keys to point to direction up, down, left and right. They are used to move the cursor in any direction on the computer screen.
Kliko, what are these keys on top of the keyboard? They are named from F1 to F12.
They are the functional keys. They are used to perform special jobs.
What are these two big keys which have enter written on them?
They are the enter keys. They are located at 2 places in the keyboard. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line while typing.
Which is the long key at the bottom of the keyboard?
That is the spacebar key. It is the longest key in the keyboard. It is used to give a blank space between letters or words while typing. Rennie, can you see the key on the left side of the keyboard which has caps locks written on it?
Yes, Kliko. What is it used for?
When you wish to type letters in the capital case, then you need to press this key first and then start typing. All the letters will appear in the capital case.
Yes, now I know what most of the keys on the keyboard does.
Students, did you understood the video about keys on the keyboard? Okay, now let's summarize the topic. We press alphabetic keys to type letters. We press the number keys to type numbers. A small blinking line in the top left corner is the cursor. The spacebar keys is used to give spaces between words. It is the longest key on the keyboard. The enter key is used to go to the next line. The delete key is used to remove a letter to the right. The backspace key is used to remove a letter to the left. The shift key is used to type capital letters and special characters. So, with this our chapter is completed and you studied about work of computer. So please read this lesson from your book carefully. I have sent exercise which you need to open by clicking on the blue link and of exercise and write it. Children, you also need to solve the MCQ test. Bye all of you. Stay safe at home. Thank you.